part of the deal. Room and Dad can have an office at home. It'll be great.
Oh, no. Be reasonable, Paul. It's much too big for your father and me. I'd wind up spending all my time cleaning. And the lawn. We'd never be able to...
So you're flipping through this week's TV guide when something catches your eye. Dinner under $1. It's a Velveeta cheese spread recipe. Tonight, you enjoy creamy chicken cacciatore. Next week, you're baking Midwest meatloaf. You follow that with a delicious Thai chicken salad. Each week, it's something new and always under $1. Those Velveeta recipes add up. The food bills go down. Soon, you're a hero cheered by the masses. Hey, don't be so modest. You know it's true. Don't miss this week's TV guide for dinners under $1. Velveeta cooks better.
To Bobby Luderman's party. I had the best time. His mom made potatoes that were so curly. They were the most fun. Margie found one that was a mile long. I asked Bobby's mom what kind of potatoes they were. They were OreIda Golden Twirl. I told his mom it was the best party I ever went to.
This week, the country's most popular brand of appliances on sale during Sears Brand Central's All Kenmore Spectacular. Many are reduced to their lowest prices ever. Like this heavy-duty extra-large capacity 7-cycle Kenmore washer. It's just $347. Extra-large capacity dryer, only $287. Our lowest prices ever for the pair. Kenmore Appliances, America's most popular. Only at Sears Brand Central.
Son, in all the years that your father and I have been married...
Like you just stepped out of a salon.
Salon Selective shampoos and conditioners give you salon beautiful hair every day.
Shining, glowing, you feel so beautiful knowing. Ooh, you're looking like you just stepped out of a salon.
With Salon Selectives, you select your personal shampoo and conditioner. Used together, they work even better to give you salon beautiful hair.
You're looking like you just stepped out of a salon.
The red gear connected to the blue gear. The blue gear connected to the orange gear. Put the turner in the turner hole. And the gears go around. No, not like this.
How do you turn a learning concept into lots of busy fun? It's easy with Playskool Busy Gears.
Big and little. You mix them up. You turn to all of them. They got teeth. And it keeps you very busy. My gear connected to your gears. And the busy gears go round.
Remember those Easters with the big poofy dresses? Oh. And the big pink bows that Mom had to have just perfect? And color. You have to have lots of color in an Easter basket. And then there was that one special thing. So you knew that it was your basket and not your sister's. Wasn't that great? Well, I guess it's official. We've become our mother.
At Hallmark, you'll not only find all you're looking for this Easter, you'll find looking for it a pleasure.
Why do Hersheys Kisses have little flags on top?
Fantastic savings on every...
So they'll get good reception. Little Hersheys Kisses. Big chocolate taste.
Do you know what you're missing every morning if you're still drinking plain old orange juice? Wake up to something exciting. Dole breakfast juices. Delicious combinations of 100% real fruit juice.
Anything can happen on the end.